love, fell in love with the love. Show me love, I need love. Fell in love, I fell in love. I want it for the love.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shine.
Sundays at Hope Garden. Today is Sunday, post call, but we decided to do a read Nick. Friends, so today is Sunday. I am post call. A little bit tired, but my friend and I decided we're going to do a read Nick, basically a picnic where we just read books. I'm doing my Kindle. She probably has a physical book because she's a physical bookie, and I'm a ebook girl. So yeah, we're at Hope Gardens. I'm gonna head to our picnic spot and just read. Blankets have been set up. Food. BK. So I made it to work part. About to head in. Today is a clinic day, so basically my agenda for today is ward to review the patients who are admitted, and then I go to clinic. Today we have antenatal clinic, so after the ward then clinic. I don't anticipate us to have too many patients on the ward for two reasons. One, I worked on the weekend, I worked on Saturday and I didn't really have any admissions, and two, my firm wasn't admitting over the weekend, so we shouldn't have anybody who was admitted unless it's someone who came on another firm's duty but is originally a patient of ours. So should not be having anything like that, not admitting. So yeah, so most of my day would probably be spent in clinic today, and then yeah, that should be it. Hopefully it's not too heavy. We're out of peak season now, so shouldn't have too many patients, but you know, pregnancy is still a keep. I don't know why they're talking about this birth rate going down when pregnancy is still a keep. Pregnancy still a keep in Jamaica for some people, not for me but for other people. Anyways, yeah, so yeah, to head in, go to work now. See you guys in the next clip. Peace. So I not too long came from the gym and it's like nighttime. Had to go to gym after work, which I don't really love because it is full. Everybody going after work, and honestly, if I didn't go after work, I was going to reach, so I had to push myself to go. I went because work finishes at 4, so I was able to get in a little bit before the place became crowded, and as soon as it became crowded, I just had the urge to leave, which is like interrupting my workout because there's so many machines and stuff, but there's so many people. I didn't even have space to like skip in the room, like. So boy, I wish I was more of a morning person. That may have to be a goal for 2025, to become a morning person, because I am not much of a morning person, but maybe I need to try and go in the mornings and work out. Too many people. Tomorrow is duty. Tomorrow is a duty day. I'm also covering a volleyball for someone else because they have a DL, which means departmental leave. They have the day off to do whatever business they need to sort out. So I have to prepare for that. So I'm gonna have to clean up, shower and thing, and then go and prepare for duty. Life is lifing. Traffic is trafficking. I am tired. I'm tired of being tired. More runway. Money for rich. Somebody can sponsor me, sponsor my life, so I can stop working. So I'm currently decluttering some of my tech stuff, like stuff. This whole container underneath here is just like random cords and cables. This bag has random cords and cables. This has random cords and cables. And the thing about it is like some of the stuff, and I also have random pens and pencils which I'm going through. The thing about it is like there are a few stuff I also have stuff in drawers that I said okay, I should probably keep this, but I have a lot of cords and cables, so I'm just gonna go through and see what I can get rid of, because I have a lot of stuff. Not me getting drenched. Not me getting drenched in my cup. Not me getting drenched in liquor. Oh, wait, not on the side. I am on duty today. I totally forgot I was supposed to be recording. Pardon me. But I was on labor this morning. It was rough. The ward is full. That's all I'm saying. But in the evening, I'm on triage, which isn't as bad right now. Knock on wood. Yeah, so right now I am just resting from the labor ward terror that was this morning. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired. But the work continues. Yeah, that rainbow is so huge. Like, wow. Beautiful. Vivid. Chasing rainbows. It has been such a long, busy day. Even my coworkers were like why you look so busy, like you look like you're tired. I'm like, yes, I've been walking all over the place, I've been doing referrals, I'm just exhausted. So I just went and picked up a package because for whatever reason it looks clear enough for me to go pick up my package. So I got 2 new packages from Shein, and then I'm going to go to the gym. You know, if I don't go after work, I probably won't go. I need to get the energy to wake up in the morning and go before work, so I don't have to be struggling when I'm tired. I may just go and sit down in the gym for like half an hour, 15 minutes. We'll see. My legs are a little tired. I've already made my step goals for the day. That's why, you know, I've been walking. I've already made my daily step goals, and the day I don't even reach the gym yet. Yeah, so I've been walking up and down. Anyways, let's go on the road, try beat the traffic, you know, as best as possible, because traffic in Kingston is getting so out of pocket. So out of pocket. Something that's supposed to be a 15-minute drive is like 45 minutes. I can't anymore. Jesus, I'm tired. But yeah, let's do it. My dad looks unkempt and haggard, like locks. Anyways, yeah, later. Also, Jamaicans said they don't know which snacks are made in Jamaica. Here are a few. Butter kiss. So, product of Jamaica. One of my personal favorite. Snackable strawberry biscuit. The whole Buttercliss brand team. What it says here? Product of Jamaica. Ovaltine. Excelsior. Cheese crunchies. The label it says made in Jamaica. National Excelsior. National. Yeah. Product of Jamaica. St. Mary's. Let's see what the label says. Made in Jamaica. They have a new cheese flavor. Or maybe it's not new. I don't know. But I'm gonna try it. Trippies. National products of what? Oh, gone up too far. Products of Jamaica. So I'm back from the gym and I'm just unpacking my stuff because I went grocery shopping. So I'm just unpacking my groceries right now and my package. And it was a struggle to get everything up, but I got it out. Got it in my house. So I'm just unpacking everything. Then I'm gonna shower, clean up, and get ready for the night. Yeah.
That's my season. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see why your heart's icy. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, come me, I too fly, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella for those of you who don't know, and today is Friday. Woohoo! But today is a surgery day. I have my gynecology OT list to do today. So yeah, today is an OT day, gynae, and hopefully it's not too long. We don't take too long because you know gynae cases sometimes can be difficult, but hopefully it not take too long and I can, you know, finish in time and do finish overtime. Like, I'm still traumatized from the one time when I went into a case at 2 p.m. and I never left the hospital till 11 p.m. and I was not on call. I was not on duty. And 11 o'clock in the night, I was still in this case. Trauma. So no man, that can't catch me again. Cannot catch me again. But it's me. I should have asked gynae residents to come scrub in because they're on gynae. I could have gone to my yard. Anyways, never again. Never again. So today is a gynae day, gynae OT. So I'm on my way to work, heading to the hospital. How is everybody? Like, it's been terrible. I keep forgetting to film, but you know, today I remembered. So here I am trying to do what I'm supposed to do. So you know, I'm gonna, as I said, consistency is the theme for this year, for 2025. So I'm going to be aiming to produce at least one video a week, every week, for majority of the year. There might be times when I don't necessarily produce a video, and that will probably be because I'm on vacation. But I'll tell you guys in advance, or I'll try to at least, you know, do a video in advance, and maybe I'll still post during that time. Anyways, yeah, I'm on my way to work. I know a lot of people, something that people have been asking as you comment on the video is like if the how much I make as a doctor in Jamaica, if it's still the same now. The answer is no. I mean, the government did renegotiate a lot of the public sector salaries, so yeah, there's different, but the part of the renegotiation is bootleg. Anyways, it's not complete because we still have to negotiate our overtime rate, so we're still in those negotiations, but we did get a new base salary, so our base salary is not the same as before. So yeah, it's not the same. Is it better? Cost of living compete so hard, I don't know. Don't even know. Anyways, so yeah, work time. I'll see you guys when I reach work. All right, later. So I'm on my way home now. We were able to finish the last case by like 3:30, so I was able to leave work by 3:50, but it's Friday, so traffic still hold me, but I'm on my last lap, almost home. So yeah, just heading on home on the range where the deer and the antelope play. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just heading home. I'm almost home. So yeah, Strawberry Fields together, one of my favorite beaches, but $2,000 is now the entry fee. Sheesh. At that view.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.